Meet the Bosch SMV25EX02E, a full-size 60-centimeter built-in dishwasher that combines German engineering with everyday convenience. If you're someone who values clean dishes, quiet operation, and long-term reliability, this model might be exactly what you're looking for. In this video, I'll take you through the design, features, programs, energy efficiency, performance, pros and cons, and share why this machine has become such a popular choice for families and households that want dependable results without complicated controls. Let's begin with the design. As a fully integrated dishwasher, the Bosch SMV25EX02E is meant to disappear into your kitchen. Once installed, the front panel matches the rest of your cabinetry, so it blends seamlessly with the room. The only visible indicator is the control panel located on the top edge of the door, which you see when the door is open. This makes the overall look of your kitchen modern and uncluttered. At 60 centimeters, it's a full-size model designed to handle larger loads, perfect for households of 3, 4, or more. Inside, you'll find a well-organized stainless steel tub with 2 spacious baskets. The upper basket is adjustable in height, so you can raise it to fit tall pots in the lower rack, or lower it to fit larger wine glasses on top. This flexibility makes a big difference if you cook a lot and often deal with cookware of varying sizes. The cutlery basket is simple but effective, allowing you to arrange knives, forks, and spoons neatly, so everything comes out spotless. Now, let's talk about performance. The Bosch SMV25EX02E uses an inverter motor. Unlike traditional motors, an inverter motor adjusts speed according to the load, which means quieter operation, improved energy efficiency, and a longer lifespan. Bosch's EcoSilence drive is known for being reliable and almost whisper quiet, so you can run a cycle at night without disturbing your sleep, or during the day while working from home without background noise interference. This model offers 5 main programs: Intensive 70 degrees Celsius for heavily soiled cookware, Eco 50 degrees Celsius for energy-efficient everyday cleaning, Quick 45 degrees Celsius for lightly soiled dishes, a pre-rinse option, and Normal 65 degrees Celsius for typical daily use. These programs cover most household needs. The Eco mode in particular is designed to save water and energy, making it ideal for regular loads when you're not in a rush. The intensive program is strong enough for baked-on food, so you don't need to pre-soak or scrub pans before putting them in the machine. Capacity is another highlight. With room for up to 12 place settings, this dishwasher can handle the daily dishes of an average family with ease. Whether it's breakfast plates, lunch bowls, dinner pots, or glassware, everything fits comfortably. And thanks to the flexible basket system, you can reconfigure the interior depending on whether you need space for larger pots or more delicate glassware. Energy efficiency is a major selling point of Bosch dishwashers. The SMV25EX02E is rated A+, which means lower electricity consumption compared to older models. Combined with water efficiency, using around 11 to 12 liters per cycle, you'll save money in the long run while also reducing your environmental footprint. Let's also talk about ease of use. The controls are straightforward. Press a button, choose your program, and you're done. There's no learning curve here. Indicators remind you when to refill salt and rinse aid, so you don't have to guess. The machine also includes AquaStop, Bosch's well-known water protection system. This is essentially a built-in leak prevention system with a lifetime warranty. If a leak ever occurs, AquaStop automatically shuts off the water supply, giving you peace of mind. Noise levels are impressively low, typically around 48 decibels. To put that into perspective, that's quieter than a normal conversation. This makes the dishwasher a great choice for open-plan kitchens, apartments, or households where you don't want appliances disrupting the atmosphere. In terms of real-life use, most owners find that the dishwasher delivers consistently clean dishes without the need for pre-washing. Glasses come out shiny, plates are spotless, and cutlery is streak-free. The stainless steel tub also resists odors, so the machine stays fresh even after years of use. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. On the plus side, you get Bosch's trusted build quality, a reliable and efficient inverter motor, flexible baskets, quiet operation, and effective cleaning programs. It's also eco-friendly with low water and energy consumption, and AquaStop adds an extra layer of safety. On the downside, it doesn't include some of Bosch's higher-end features like a third cutlery drawer, advanced drying with zeolite, or Wi-Fi connectivity. The drying performance, while good, isn't as strong as models with extra fan-assisted systems, so plastics may come out slightly damp. Also, with only 5 programs, you don't get as many options as on premium dishwashers, though most users find these programs more than sufficient for daily use. So, who is this dishwasher for? The Bosch SMV25EX02E is ideal for families, couples, or anyone who cooks frequently and needs a reliable, built-in dishwasher that blends into the kitchen and simply works. If you want cutting-edge smart features, this isn't the model for you. But if you want durability, simplicity, and performance at a fair price, it's an excellent choice. To sum it up, the Bosch SMV25EX02E is a solid, no-nonsense dishwasher. It doesn't overload you with features you may never use, but it gives you consistent, dependable cleaning, energy efficiency, and quiet operation, all wrapped in a clean, integrated design. With Bosch's reputation for reliability and the protection of AquaStop, you're getting peace of mind along with clean dishes every day. If this review helped you understand whether the Bosch SMV25EX02E is right for your home, give this video a thumbs up so more people can find it. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest appliance reviews, and let me know in the comments what matters most to you in a dishwasher: quietness, speed, or energy savings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.